Hi, I'm Terrence, and today I'm going to be explaining how to use the overlay on the AERT status page. So first, navigate to the status page, which you can do by clicking status at the top of your screen if you're on desktop. If you are on a mobile device, then simply press on the navigation symbol in the top right and click on the status button. And once you're on the status page, now you can display the overlays for the GLM gridded products. So the website currently displays flash extent density, total optical energy, and minimum flash area. So for each one of these, you can press play, you can select a specific point in time, and you can switch between while it's playing and whenever you want. For instance, if you want the most recent image, which is what is loaded when you first start up, then you can drag the bar at the bottom of your screen all the way to the right, and that shows the most recent image. And this bar spans 60 minutes, so if you were to load in and you wanted to press play, you can simply select whichever overlay you want, for instance total optical energy, and you press play. And at any point you can pause, you can continue playing, and you can skip around if you want as well. And for instance, if you want to look at a specific location, such as UMD, you can also type that location in, and what it does, it automatically locates and zooms in as far as it can to that specific location. If you want, for instance, to manually zoom in and out, you can also select the plus and minus symbols. If you want to play, for instance, what it looks like at UMD a little bit zoomed out, and say you also want to switch to FED, you can do that as well. It might take a little bit to load in, but it'll find its way and it'll start playing just like any of the other overlays. That's pretty much how you use the overlays on the status page. Hope you find it helpful.